Shane's Pigeon Loft. How you guys doing today? I'm banning some birds today. Getting them mad at me. Well, it looks like I missed two birds. This beautiful black one right here. Eagle. He went into hiding, so I missed him. And then I missed the white one, which is a pretty much like him. So I'll have to try it again another day. I don't want to chase him around. Don't want to irritate him any. I just get rid of how many birds, and here I am banning more. Hoping for a good breed season. Look at him. He's like, nope. Goes, you were in here grabbing us. I ain't touching. I ain't coming in there so you can touch me. Oh yeah, here's the eagle. There you go. That's one of my older eagles right there. That one is last year's bird. And somehow I got a check right here. I don't know how I got him. He's mad at me. But it looks like we're gonna start off good breeding season. Hopefully it stays that way. I'd like to get a couple of those. Those are my Jensen. Right there. Right there. Can't wait. I'm starting to breed them. Got one egg. So awesome. Awesome days. I'm waiting for some feed to be delivered, so have a good day. Shane's Pigeon Loft. Please like, subscribe. It is free. Have a good day.